When you think Africa, do you think about big, beautiful animals on a savanna, or jungle, or desert? While you wouldn't be wrong, you may not have realized that this same continent is also home to one of the largest penguin colonies on planet Earth. That's right, join Allie and I as we discover and hang out with some of the cutest little penguins for a day of African adventure that might surprise you. Our journey begins just an hour south of Cape Town, South Africa. Welcome to the edge of Africa in Boulders Beach. And yesterday we explored the beautiful city of Cape Town. Oh my gosh, it was amazing.
Yeah, it was highly recommend. And if you haven't seen that, go watch it after this vlog.
And now we're gonna be exploring more of the kind of rural side outside of Cape Town here in the southern kind of peninsula, which we're super excited for. Apparently there's gonna be penguins.
Yes.
We're gonna see where the Indian Ocean meets the Pacific and more to come. Already loving it. The drive down here was beautiful.
Yes.
So yeah, super excited for the day and hope you're excited for this venture ahead. Let's go see some penguins.
Yay! So we have reached the edge of the spade area here. It seems like we can't go near the penguins at all.
Jeez.
We were able to get to this other side of Boulders Beach, which is where you can get much closer to the penguins, but still you need to come to this deck. And as you can see, it is super packed. Starting at around 10 a.m. it gets super busy. So the ticket that you get gives you access from both sides of Boulders Beach. The side that we were before, which is over there behind the boulders, and this side as well with the observation decks, but definitely worth it.
Check us out all throughout the beach. There are these little fluffy things. I have no idea what they are. Like little rodents in the trash and just running around. There's so many. They're so cute. And then one of them ran up and scared a penguin.
And now we're about to start hiking to Cape Point. So we drove all the way to Cape of Good Hope. We had to pay to get in. There's like hours that closes and opens. So you can park your car at the bottom and then you start hiking all the way to the southern west.
Yeah, the most southwestern point in all of Africa. It's almost the most southern point.
Yeah.
But it's like the most southern point close to Cape Town. But this is apparently supposed to be way more beautiful, and obviously super windy.
Yes.
And it was crazy. It was like a 30-minute drive from the penguin colony.
Yes.
And on the way, we already saw so much wildlife, which was shocking, like ostrich, baboons, some other lizards and things.
Yeah.
And it was, so really unexpected, but super beautiful, and hopefully some more beautiful views to come. So
let's go. Sumner, look behind you. Oh my gosh.
What? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
It's so big.
All right, so now we've officially made it to the most southwestern point of all of Africa.
Yes.
And what's really cool about this point is here on this side, behind we have the Atlantic Ocean, and on the other side we have the Indian Ocean. And you can't really tell on camera, especially because there's a giant cloud that literally started moving in. Like it's crazy.
Yeah.
But the Indian Ocean is much more like a deep blue, and the Atlantic Ocean is a bit more murky with more waves.
Yeah.
But it's crazy, you can see the difference of the oceans here. And it's crazy too, like this point was kind of quote unquote discovered by Europeans, over 500 years ago by the Portuguese. So it's kind of crazy, like this exact point that we're standing right now like what was going through their head when they first saw this, like discovered that there's a way around Africa at the Cape of Good Hope. So super cool.
Yeah, beautiful views. Highly recommend visiting.
Way beyond expectations, honestly. Yeah. And this has been beautiful. We've got even more to see, so let's go. All right, so some bad news. So there's this iconic drive that a bunch of locals in Cape Town told us to go, which is called Chapman's Peak. So we're gonna start kind of in, from the Cape Point and drive up through Chapman's Peak back into Cape Town. But there was this massive storm actually a few days ago that I didn't even think about. Yeah. And because of that, then apparently the guy over here was just telling us that there's a bunch of mudslides. So it's really bummed out, but so far still has been really beautiful. Yeah. I have to say, so far, this has reminded us a lot of Madeira, Portugal. Yeah. A lot of similarities. Yeah. Beautiful, and I really like this area. I'm shocked by how many people live in this area.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know, I thought it'd be like super remote, like the end of Africa, but there's a lot of super nice homes and really beautiful.
Yeah, you go like an hour and a half, 2 hours away, and there's two like beautiful neighborhoods.
Yeah,
it's really nice. And also reminds us of Florianopolis, specifically like the area with the boulders. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. I'm so glad we came to Cape Town.
So we tried to find another way to Chapman's Peak, but couldn't. So decided to come to Muizenberg, which is actually a little town that Allie and I stopped through on our way down to see the penguins. And it was actually a really cute town, so we decided to spend some more time, although obviously not that much time. And the city was really known for these colorful cottages on the beach. And unfortunately, due to the same storm that kind of created the mudslide on Chapman's Peak, it also like obliterated a bunch of those beautiful cottages, which is crazy. So we came here to Muizenberg. We were originally going to go to a really nice cafe. Unfortunately, it was closed, so we're now here at Hudson's for some delicious steak. Because if you don't already know, United States, even like Brazil or Australia or other countries are kind of known for their quality steak, but South African steak is amazing, okay? I've been eating it like every other day here. So yeah, Allie and I, we got some steak. Allie got some sliders as well, to just kind of sample some of the different South African like peri-peri type of flavors. And of course some homemade ginger beer. Ginger beer is everywhere here in Cape Town, which Allie and I already liked in the US. And when we came here, we've been ordering that almost every night as well. So it's been a little bit of a change of plans in the day, but it's still been an amazing day.
Hope that you liked the adventure today, and if you did, you're going to love our adventure through the city of Cape Town. So I'll be sure to leave the link to that vlog in the description below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. We loved having you along, and we look forward to seeing you at our next destination. Bye!